Yeah, we have about 6 seconds.
What is this for?
I have,
I don't know, I like the party. So how'd you like it?
I can't ever use anything you said.
Don't forget to use the word of the day.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna do some racing. We are heading up to Mexico right now because we're gonna meet up with that racing channel, TRC. You guys follow them on Facebook, YouTube, all that good stuff. Because Saturday's side-by-side blog is doing like a track takeover at Late Pier, and they did a feature with them earlier this morning, and they hit us up, and we planned they're going to do a feature on Klaus tonight. Probably do some little ride-along, some pools, talk about the cars, stuff like that, have some fun. We got Shane and the tow pig right now. Chad's checking out in the store in there, and we got about another half-hour drive, and we'll see you there.
Last plate.
Oh, look.
I know you can literally go through it.
If you can see the parachute through the back. Yeah, hell yeah, brother.
Gotta love
Absolutely.
it. Shout out Cletus.
Absolutely.
And the gas tank just fills up right
Yeah,
here.
that was actually temporary.
Tonight.
Bro, Carl gives 0 fun. Hurt feelings in 3, 2, 1. Massive burn on the grass. Beat it in.
We always wanted a BMW. With external twin turbos.
BMW?
Yes, sir.
Didn't you just sell a BMW?
I did. I sold my Jaguar. Okay, you guys are from Ohio?
Yes.
How'd you hear about us?
I don't actually know what's going on. We're shooting a video for a YouTube channel right now. We saw a car show. We're like, let's just make cars.
Every
Like,
Thursday.
let's pull in. It's a little hot.
This is cool as hell.
Got a Mustang down there too. Mustang.
It's a Mustang.
I guess there's no such thing as cops anymore.
Alright, well I guess I'm driving the rental for the TRC guys, so Charles can shoot some rollers of Klaus. And we'll see how this goes, because I don't know where I'm going, but...
We don't know where we're going either, so...
All I heard was drive south and then turn onto Otter Road.
Okay, thank you. Jesus Christ. People like just trying to shoot. Hey, buddy. Hey, can I take a picture and set up? Go for it.
We'll just do it on this road.
Now the cops are looking for it. They call it a Mustang. That was hilarious.
Nice.
It's got a roll cage and it's a Mustang.
Got a roll cage. So they're gonna be looking for Mustangs with interior cages.
I did say red. It's red and black. So what are you guys doing out here? I was like, oh, we're just filming some cars driving by. And he goes, oh, so you guys, what are you guys doing? Like, what's it for? I was like, oh, we have a YouTube channel. Like, we're just filming some videos. Like, and it just looked like a normal dude. So I was just like telling him, I was like,
no, dude, he was like clean shaven, almost bald head, buzz cut.
Yeah, you have Oakleys on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there was your telltale sign.
Yeah.
Oakleys.
I saw him drive by me, and then he turned around at the stoplight whenever I came to pick you up.
That's why I stopped.
Oh, really?
And he was on the phone, and I was like, oh, he's calling.
That was a blast. Cruising around with that racing channel. How long has that been? Like 2 or 3 hours or something?
Yeah, we were here for a while.
It was a while. We shot a bunch of glory shots, some rollers. We were getting ready to do some launches and burnouts, and off-duty showed up, and they're doing a full reverse into the parking lot. Look at this. We'll see what they're doing now.
Anyway, pick up where we left off.
Anyway,
Some
what were we talking about?
bucket head in a truck.
So yeah, we were.
Which is the word of the day, bucket.
We were getting ready to do some burnouts and some flybys, and this guy in the truck pulled up, started asking us questions. Then he tells us he's an off-duty cop. What are you guys doing? I'm like, we're just shooting glory shots because that's all we were doing at the time. And he was just like, yeah, likely story. He gets on the phone and says, can you send a few cruisers down here to here to here? And we took that as, look at the time, we gotta go. So then we went. But I'm sure we're gonna shoot some more footage. We're gonna get some burnouts and some racing. They want us to get that into them. So you guys will see that. Look out for about in 3 weeks. Thank you, Shane, for being our driver.
It was a bucket of fun.
I got you. I got your food and road pop later. Chad, thank you for filming. You're great. Small hands, Chad.
I got a bucket of beer in the back seat. I'm a road puppet.
We're not gonna do
That's the
that.
lie.
That's a lie.
I don't drink and ride
We
ever.
don't do that.
No open containers.
No open
No open
containers.
containers.
We don't do that.
No.
But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Scissor, kick that like button.